Alright, I'll be looking at my address. More stuff from USP. I believe. Uh-oh. Always, dude. The best. They're the best. Haribo Gold Bears. This is the third pack I've opened today. Thank you. You're welcome. I wish I had a discount on it for all the stuff I buy, but, you know, nothing yet. These are going to be, yeah, look at that. These are going to be, oh man, I'm messing this man's garage up. I don't have a trash can. Yeah. 034 Motorsports. I'm excited too, thank you. Look at those bad boys. So we've got a, I believe this is the, oh nice, inscribed. I believe this is the trans mount, I don't know, trans mount or motor mount, ordered them both. These are the stage ones because I don't want to rattle my teeth out of my head. They offer a stage 2, or I think maybe BFI offers a stage 2, and these guys only go with just this set. I don't know, but I am even more in love that it's engraved in there now. This is possibly the trans of the motor mount. Wow, bigger and heavier than I thought. But they're 60% stiffer, I believe. And again, got these through USP. I could have ordered them through 034 Motorsport, but I have an account with the USP, so it just works out easier to do it that way. Plus, they send me Haribo Gold Bears every single time, so these will be going in there because the stock ones are in there currently. And even when I bought this car 6 or 7 years ago, I remember looking at the motor rocking back and forth on the stock ones and thinking, wow, that's a lot of motor movement. And I wasn't sure if that was some sort of design flaw or if somehow between 2012 and when I bought the car in 2016, the motor mounts just completely went bad, because this was an old person's car and only had 43,000 miles on it when I bought it, so I know they weren't racing it or beating it. It was completely stock. Maybe the factory motor mounts are just not that great. I don't know. All I know is these bitches were like $500, and they're billet and poly and designed to last for a while. They come with all your hardware, and if you would like a set, you can get them right there, .com, through USP. They were highly recommended by Florida07K off of YouTube, even though I think he has the BFI Stage 2 green ones. His car is on boost, so he's going to want that. This car currently will be as much stage 1 as it could possibly be. After you see this video, you'll understand why. It'll be as stage 1 as it could possibly be until I can get a hold of that manifold. I am working with USP, who is working with Integrated Engineering on possibly sending me a free one for a sponsorship. I'm not going to hassle them about it. I've been in contact. I was told it was coming. They were working on it. I explained to them what I was doing with the build, so that's basically what this video is about. I'm putting this together as a showcase to show them all the products. I mean, they could obviously go in and see that I bought all this stuff from them, but I wanted to show them that I bought all the stuff from them, so that would give me some good faith in maybe getting me that $1,200 manifold and different intake setup that actually comes down in a way. And the stage 2 tune that I would need, which would negate my brand new $500 stage 1 APR tune, but I can sell that off to somebody for nice and cheap that wants to do a stage 1 upgrade, because once you pop that manifold on, you have to go with the Integrated Engineering stage 2 tune. Otherwise you're just restricting yourself. You're not doing yourself any favors. So yeah, this bad boy right here, I believe, goes on that side over there underneath the radiator tank, and this one right here is going to go over there on this side underneath the battery tray and my Auga horn. So the battery tray comes out, and then these just bolt right in with the factory hardware, I believe, or maybe I remember somebody saying in a video I watched that you can't reuse, yeah, you can't reuse this factory hardware because there's some kind of bolts that stretch or something when you put them in there. So, good news, they send you the hardware and the bracket that you're going to need to bolt those bad boys down. That was a little concerning. I'm glad I took an extra look in there. Alright, so there's your 034 trans and motor mount stage 1. And they will be going in herbicide as soon as possible. They said there's another build going on over here, and it's currently taking priority over herbicide, which I told them that was fine. And I do miss my car, but when it comes back, it's going to be super cool and more one of a kind than it already is. So the juice is worth the squeeze. It's worth the wait. I don't know. Later, taters.